Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and good evening to everyone. My name is Muhammad Iqmal Hakim. My matric number CN210058. So alright, today I want to present LAB1, which is the title is Introduction to Assembly Language, C Programming and Simulation for PIC18F4550. So next is about benefit industry in benefit about microcontroller lah in industry. So first have mobile phone, second washing machine, third automobiles, and the last security alarm. So next we go to the lab. So have three parts. So this part is about assembly. So this program, the compiler is assembly. So this is the program. So if I run, so below is successful. So after that, the circuit. So this is a circuit. Have one LED, one push button, and one push button reset. So the step is double click at PIC and search the file. Like this. Okay, open. Okay, play. So if I press push button, LED is on. If I release push button, LED is off. So next is next. Sorry. So close the program. So next coding is next program is about LED. So this is program. So LED. So different before coding, we use assembly. So this coding we use PIC18 as a compiler. So this is a coding as 3 bit RB7. So if you run, okay, if we run the program is build is successful. So we move to the coding. We move to the circuit. So for the information for this lab, have three different coding, but similar circuit. So for the coding 2, we use same circuit in coding 1. So just put the coding 2. Yes, coding 2. Okay, alright. Okay. And we play. Also same. Press push button. LED on, release, LED stop, LED off lah. So next, third coding. Third coding is about binary. Alright. So this is coding, binary coding. So different before this. So this is binary coding. The output are same. So if you run, okay, successful. So we move to the circuit. The circuit same. So we just replace that coding, binary coding. Okay, play. Okay, almost same. Press push button, LED on, release, LED off. So I think that's all. So thank you.